Hello, and welcome to Vacations by Tiffany. I'm your go-to travel agent for all things cruises, Disney, and much more. In this episode, I'm giving you a brief tour of the Scarlet Lady. This is just under 10 minutes long. However, if you're looking for something more in-depth, I do have an extended tour right here on my channel. Let's start on Deck 5. Here you'll find Sailor Services, which is the front desk area. You'll also find the Redemption Spa and one of the restaurants called Pink Agave. Here's another restaurant, Razzle Dazzle. Now up to Deck 6. Here you'll find this super fun spiral staircase. And the Red Room, which is one of the entertainment areas that takes on different shapes and forms throughout your voyages, depending on the type of show that's going on. On Deck 6, you'll also find the casino and two more restaurants, the Test Kitchen and Extra Virgin. There's another entertainment space called the Manor, as well as the hair salon, barbershop, and best of all, the tattoo parlor. That's right, you can totally take home a permanent souvenir of your vacation. Moving up, Deck 7, where you first come on board, is the Promenade Deck. Here you'll find one of my favorite spots, the Dock, an outdoor lounge space and bar. You'll also find the arcade, which is free, by the way. Foosball tables, other games, as well as snacks, candy, and some amazing soda floats are right here. You better make some room on your phone because there are a lot of fun opportunities to take pictures all over the ship. This here is the pizza place. Sip lounge and champagne bar. You can also find more details about all the bars and lounges on the ship in another episode right here on my channel. Now we're in the Group E, where you'll find a couple of Japanese-style karaoke rooms where you can belt out your favorite songs. Also on Deck 7, you'll find the record shop where you can buy some new albums, the desk where you can book your next cruise, that's my personal favorite on any cruise ship, a couple more bars, and a coffee shop. You'll also find the steak and seafood restaurant on this deck. And the complimentary ice cream shop with the very clever name and very delicious ice cream. Decks 8 through 14 are all cabins and suites, and you can find a full cabin tour on my channel under the playlist titled Cruise Ship Tours. I highly recommend getting yourself the Sea Terrace cabin. And that brings us up to Deck 15. Here you'll find the gym, which is actually split across the hallway with bikes and cardio on one side and weight training on the other side. Next to the gym, you'll also find some outdoor workout equipment, one of the pools, a couple of hot tubs, and a bar named Gym and Tonic, another clever name. On this deck, you'll also find the Galley. This is a food hall style, open concept restaurant serving breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. It is not a buffet. You sit down, you get a menu, and you order from a server. There's a little something for everyone, and they have tons of options to choose from. Something unique is their all-day breakfast, and also the fact that you can have as much or as little as you like. You'll also find the Korean barbecue restaurant named Gundae on this deck, and now out to the other pool. With tons of space for lounging and great music playing in the background, this was one of my favorite places to relax. And just a reminder that I post new videos all the time, so if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be the first to know. Now we head up to deck 16, the Sun and Sports deck. Here you'll find lots of lounge chairs, the basketball court, more outdoor workout equipment, yoga spaces, the giant catamaran net, and a couple more bars and food venues. Last but not least, at the very top is the runway, jogging track on deck 17. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more of this beautiful new ship, I encourage you to watch my extended tour right here on my channel. There you'll also find more episodes about the food and the rest of my amazing cruise experience. Thanks for watching. Please visit vacationsbytiffany.com to plan your Virgin voyage. See you next time.